put parsley in a glass of water and watch what happens. Ritual of parsley to attract good luck and eliminate bad energy. Through this parsley ritual, you can free your home from bad energy, since it will hinder your life. This ritual will purify the environment and will bring good luck to your home. An environment with good energy is fundamental to attract good luck. This cleansing ritual for your house will assure you complete purification, so that bad luck does not cross your path. We will need 1. A bouquet of parsley. 2. Glass cup. 3. Cinnamon and sugar. 4. Natural bottled water without gas. In preparation. 1. Fill to the middle of the glass with bottled water. 2. Add half a teaspoon of sugar and cinnamon to the water and remove. 3. Place the bouquet of parsley in the glass of water, as if it were a bouquet of flowers. 4. Put the glass in a high place, in the place that you want to purify. 5. Check it daily and replace it when you notice that the parsley begins to deteriorate. 6. You have to perform this ritual until the leaves are kept in good condition, at least for a week. If the water gets cloudy or dry, do not worry, the elements are cleaning up the negativity. When you keep the parsley fresh for a week, then this will be a sign that the house is already clean, and this will bring good luck to your home, so we can throw the parsley in the trash, thanking you for your help. This ritual works, regardless of whether you're superstitious or not. I tried it and it worked. I would very much like you to try it and tell me what happened. And you have already seen, it is very easy to perform. Thank you very much.